Trying out free 3D SketchUp online. Let's make a phone casing /stand. Download phone using SketchUp free warehouse. Zoom in the object using your mouse. Check the dimension of the object you have downloaded using the icon on the left for measurement. Check as well if the downloaded object is correct by browsing it online. The default for SketchUp is inches. You can change it to mm or whatever you are used to. I have changed it earlier to mm. Create a rectangle. Command on keyboard is R, or you can use the icon on the left. Type in 80,150. Double-click the rectangle. Right-click, then make it as a group. To make a box, double-click the rectangle. Use offset command. Type in F on your keyboard or use the icon on the left. On your keyboard, type in 3 for 3 mm. Click anywhere to exit editing the object. To edit the object in group, double-click the object. Type in P for protrude command or use the icon command on the left. Type in 10 for 10 mm. Use again 3D warehouse to import an object. This time we need ballpen. Let's do the stand for the phone. Using rectangle and protrude. Make it a habit to group the object. Using rotate, we will incline it as a phone stand. Type in 60 for 60-degree angle. To create a foot, copy the line using Move command and hold Control button. On your keyboard, type 3 for 3 mm. Then use protrude. Let's out the phone to the stand using rotate command again. Type in Q for rotate. Then move command. Type in M. To save an image with the casing enclosed and as a phone stand, we need to create two scenes. You can use layer or tag to hide and unhide objects, which is always a better option. Or you can also just use hide and unhide for not so complex projects. To create layers for each items, use tag icon on the right. Since there are default layers, I always put in one on my layer names, just so I could identify the layers that I made. As I find the free SketchUp dialog box different from what I used to, I'll forego using layers and stick with just hiding and unhiding objects each scenes. Click Update each time you made changes on each scenes. Although it is free, you can save your work and retrieve it later. Rename it so it's easy for you to identify each project. By this time I am completing the capping and the stand for each scenes. In the Camera tab, there is a play button to see how scenes run. In the paid version, you can save the scenes as a video and import it as an offline copy. Let's put in materials now. Since this is a free SketchUp, I think there is a limitation on modifying the fabric, weave or size. Update the materials on each scene. Using Snipping tool, I will save the image to use on airendering using Microsoft Copilot or Google's Gemini. Giving it a precise prompt will help you have a better rendering result. Let's save the other scene as an image for a rendering as well. I am using both Copilot and Gemini and will just choose which ones gives me the better result. Let me show you first that you can also put dimensions on your object using dimensions icon on the left. You can use Move command to place the dimensions better.